can the Trump administration say that a country like Venezuela, the United States is not at war with Venezuela, is intentionally flooding the United States with these specific gang members for the purpose of destabilizing the United States? Well, if the Supreme Court rules in Trump's favor, then at the minimum is that people who are identified as part of this gang, the Tren de Aragua of Venezuela, anybody as part of that gang can just be apprehended and deported without a hearing. So it can be a very short, brief process. But the larger ramifications are, well, what other groups start getting designated for this purpose? And where do those individuals start going? That's going to be a big issue. And the other question will be, will there be an ability to challenge the conditions in El Salvador, which people are being placed in? Because the problem is they're not just being removed to El Salvador, they're being removed to El Salvador where they're being detained. And so if people want to start making claims that those detention conditions violate the Convention Against Torture, which is something that the US has signed, will people be able to make those claims, or will the Supreme Court say you can't even make those claims either?